Hi, my name is Abraham Lau. I'm a guide of Kilisa Tours. I want to tell you about how to wear in Kilimanjaro. Wearing in Kilimanjaro is very important because that will determine how you can reach to the summit healthy. So I'm gonna tell you the few tips about how to wear in Kilimanjaro, which clothes is very important. And please consider that before you book for Kilimanjaro, so you'll be safe and you can reach to the summit successfully. So about wearing, we're starting with the head. In your head, the very important part, you should have a headlamp, though headlamp you wear on the top of the warm clothes that you're gonna wear on top. But you will have to have a headlamp. You should have a balaclava, and on top of balaclava you can put the warm hat. And also if the jacket you wear, it has a hood, you can put the hood of your jacket, so at least you can have 3 layers on your head part. Balaclava is very important because it covers this part, the nose and mouth, because the time you breathe, it's bring the cold in this part, and it's very sensitive. So balaclava, it helps you to breathe well while you cover the mouth and nose. Another important part is the hand part. This part in your hand, you have to wear liner gloves and big gloves. The liner gloves, it will help you when it's not too cold. So you can wear liner gloves, and liner gloves can allow you to take some stuff on your day pack, or if you want to grab some snacks or anything, it will be easy. Instead of taking out all the gloves, you can just remain with the liner gloves. And the big gloves, you can use it during summit night because it's very cold, so at least you can be very warm in your fingers. So that's very important. At least 2 layers. Another part which is very important is this part, the chest part. This is like the engine of your body, because all organ of your body, most of the organisms, it's on the chest part, from the stomach to the chest. That's very important. And because that's very important, we recommend at least to have not less than 5 layers, depending how good your clothes is. But don't consider much the brand, consider how much you will be warm enough. So 5 layers at least, starting with the inner layers, which it will be thermal, another thermal, and long fleece, down jacket, and you can use the rain jacket to act as a wind stopper. So 5 layers this part. But the more important, you should have a big jacket which is a little bit big for you, so you can put the other layer inside, and big jacket will cover it. But remember, if you have a jacket that has hood, it will help you during summer night because you can use the hood of the jacket. Another part is the down part. You should have not less than 3. If you're sensitive with cold, at least 4 layers, but 3 layers it's enough. You can have a long underwear, 1 or 2, that will be good, and you can have a ski pant. The ski pant, it will help you very much because it's a wind stopper, but also it will make you feel warm. Though because you walk, you're gonna feel warm in down part, but at least 3 layers, 2 long underwear and down and a ski pant. Also the down part on the shoes, you have to have at least 2 pairs of socks. If you have enough room in your shoes, you can wear 2 pairs of socks. As you see, this is thick socks, but remember the rule, it has to give you space on your shoes. It has to give you space on your shoes. When I was talking about gaiters, this is the gaiters. The gaiters, when you can just buy it, and when you're around here, the guide will show you how to wear it, because there are different types of gaiters. So it's depending which one you have. But the gaiters it has this, it's much easier because sometimes the zip is freezing. So this is very good gaiters. That's why in Kilisa we offer you different types of gaiters. If you want to rent, you can rent easily. We have this type of gaiters, very good, very comfortable, and it will help you a lot during summer night. Remember also summit night you need to have enough waters. So we normally have to carry not less than 3 liters of waters, but summit night at least 2 liters or 1 liter. And at the summit night, if you have water bottle, instead of only have camel bag, this is the camel bag I'm talking about. So you can have a 1 liter of water bottle and 2 liters of camel bag, or 2 liters of water bottles and 1 liter of camel bag. But why it's important to have camel bag and water bottle? During summit night, we're using water, and when it's freezing, we just put ups and down. So the part that's starting freezing is the upper layers. So this part is the part that's gonna freezing easily. So make sure you have a water bottle and the good camel bag. Also the camel bag, we have a technique that we use during summit night. You just have to blow back the water that's remaining on the pipe, so it will not freezing. So don't worry about the camel bag or water bottle. We know the technique that will help you to make sure that it's not freezing. Rain pant. Rain pant is very important. Make sure it's a proper rain pant, because some people they coming with the not waterproof, they coming with the water resistant and they think are waterproof. Make sure it's a waterproof, not water resistant, because when the rain are happening, you have to have a comfortable clothes. So rain pant like this one, it's very good and very important. Another important layer is the poncho. Poncho. This is the poncho. Poncho is very good because it can play more than one role. You can wear it. So this is the poncho. It's comfortable. The good thing about poncho, you can just put your day pack inside, so it will help the day pack not to be, I mean it will cover your day pack, and also you can cover your body with this one. So poncho, it's very important and very needed. Unless otherwise, if you don't have poncho, you can use the rain jacket. But poncho is #1 recommended, much better. Another thing, make sure you have a good ski pant, hiking pant. This is the good hiking pants. Why it's good? Because you can cut it. You can cut it easily. You can unzip it, and it will be easy on the way. When you walk and you feel hot, you can just cut it, and it will be like a pant, you know. So that will be very good. I recommend this type of pant. It's very good and comfortable. Another important thing is the hiking boots. Make sure you have a good hiking boots. Good hiking boots must be a good boot that it's a waterproof. But another important for the hiking boots, make sure it has a space, not too much tightening, so you're not getting the blisters on the way down or on the way out. So that's important. Day pack. So you don't carry everything at the mountain. You just carry the daily uses, daily stuff that you use on the way. So on your day pack, all you carry is the sunglasses, sun cream, water, passport, money, cameras, only valuable stuff for the day. So good day pack will make you walking comfortable, easily, and make sure it has a space here, so at least your back can breathe easily, not too much sweating on the way. So you need a good day pack also, don't forget that. Another thing is sunglasses. Sunglasses, it's very important. You need a good sunglasses. The brand, it's about you, but good sunglasses that will help you during summit night, because you're walking on Kilimanjaro, full of glaciers, and the glaciers is very shining, so you need a good sunglasses. So at the glacier you can have glasses, but also on the way when you walk you need a good glasses. So don't forget about the sunglasses. Another important thing, it's a sleeping bag. Comfortable sleeping bag. How did you know this is comfortable? it has to be not less than a -20, because it's freezing, it's cold, and one of the factors that make a big challenge to people to conquer the summit is the cold. So good sleeping bag will help you a lot. Make sure you have a good sleeping bag. Good sleeping bag doesn't mean a good brand only. Also -20. Remember that. Headlamp, very important. Make sure your headlamp is very good. This one is very good because you can change anytime. You can use it anytime. It will help you on the camp, on the summit night too. So this is flexible. You can just switch where you want to light to go. So this is very good. And remember, you're gonna wear on top of balaclava and warm hat. So it has to have big. It should be big, so it will not too tight you. It will not too much tight you. So good headlamp. So thank you very much. That's the tip for today for how to wear, and see you soon.